Rajasthan will also be celebrating 25 years and then 50 years and 100 years. So we will remember this day. We will remember the day it all started. So many, many congratulations. And of course our very own Jayashree Beniwal ji, who is the chairperson now of the Rajasthan chapter. Great to have you there. I've known her very, very closely. Incredible lady, we all know. She's done incredible work, whether it is education, whether it is business, or just facilitating things. So many, many congratulations to you, Jayashree. Our Ameya Prabhuji, who is the president of ICC, Shri Rajiv Singh ji, Shri Jai Kishore Raju ji, Shri Dev Kanya Banerjee ji, and all members of ICC. And of course, it's wonderful to be here and be at the inaugural evening of the Indian Chamber of Commerce, the Rajasthan chapter. I'd like to congratulate all of you and thank all of you to have actually started this in Rajasthan. And it's even more wonderful that it's starting this year, because as all of you know, under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Bhajanlal Sharma ji, we are soon going to be having the Rising Rajasthan Summit in Rajasthan. So I think it couldn't have come at a better time. The timing is so important, and I'm so happy that all of you have decided to open your chapter in Rajasthan, finally. I think as we all know, Rajasthan is at a cusp and we are changing so fast, so rapidly. Of course, like everyone said before me, that Rajasthan is known for its tourism, for so many things, for its valor, but it's never really been known for being a business destination, and where there are a lot of industry or many opportunities for industries to flourish. But we want to change that. And like you all know, that this government is intent, and the intention is very, very honest. We really want to do business. We want to be facilitators for doing business, for opening the doors, opening up Rajasthan, the ease of doing business, for giving opportunities, for giving many more jobs. And I know that it's not the government which can do all that. It has to be you people. It has to come from all of you. And we want to join hands with all of you. And we want to make Rajasthan one of the topmost destinations for industry to come and put up the industries here, to do manufacturing here, to make this really a hub of industrialization. The opportunities are immense. As we all know, we have our natural resources, we have mining, we have all the renewable energy has a lot of potential here in Rajasthan. Tourism is also a huge opportunity. We haven't explored all of this yet. It's not that many states are there which also have equal opportunities, but Rajasthan is not being explored. So here is your opportunity to come to our state. And now, I think, make history, make things happen, make magic happen. I think it's all of you who can do that. You're all Rajasthanis. And I think once you're a Rajasthanis, you're always a Rajasthan. Rajasthan has been a place where we've had the biggest industry houses come out of Rajasthan. And they've gone all over the world. They've made us proud. But now we want all of that to come back into Rajasthan. So please connect to whoever you can, and please, talk to them, and I think we all need to make that little bit of an extra effort to ask them to come back into our state. I think it's time we come back to our roots, to contribute to in Rajasthan, the development of Rajasthan. Of course, we want to make Rajasthan a $350 billion economy in the next 5 years. Promising jobs, at least 5 lakh jobs. The 5 lakh jobs will have to also come from the private sector. Of course, the government is going to be doing its best to do that. But we would like your help and contribution in that. So I'd like to, of course, talk to all of you, appeal to all of you that please come back to Rajasthan, please set up your industries here, please now think of what the opportunities could be. Since I'm heading the tourism and art and culture sector, there is a lot of potential still there. You know, we haven't really tapped the kind of things that we can do. We haven't really done that. So I think there's a huge potential there. So anytime anyone would like to, delve into that, would like any support of the government, we are definitely doing it. We would love to do something with you all, as well as many, many opportunities. So it's great to have the chamber, the Indian Chamber of Commerce finally open their offices, to open their chapter here. But with that, we need to also now think how we can help our state. I mean, there is absolutely nothing lacking in Rajasthan. There is everything. Of course, location is also very, very relevant. We are very close to the capital. We are in the middle of the country. We've got a huge landmass. There is no dearth of opportunities. So please do. It will be great to, the government and the private sector to work together to make this state even more incredible. It is incredible, but we want to make it even better. So thank you once again to have invited me here and to hear me out. But I think now, when you all please go back, think about it, think about what you can do for your own home state, how you can make, because we are so proud of Rajasthan. We are so proud of Rajasthan. When we go abroad, everyone, when you mention Jaipur, you mention Rajasthan, their eyes light up. There's so much respect. But that is what has happened in the past. You need to change that. We need to make Rajasthan futuristic. There's so much more. Of course, when we talk of industry, we have to be sustainable. We know that it's important. We have to save the planet. We have to do our bit. It's extremely essential. And there is opportunity in that as well. That sector has been unexplored in Rajasthan. So we need to think on those lines. As well as there's so much more. Rajasthan has history, it has all of that, but it also is now going into the future. So when we go into the future, we are talking of a Viksit Bharat 2047, also a Viksit Rajasthan 2047. So in that, you need to, mix technology with history, so many new techniques, there's so much. I think the sky is the limit. We also at the government level are going to be all our museums, all our monuments, we want to make them more tourist friendly. We want to, like I said, have more technology into it, more digitalization, things which are user friendly, which the youth understand and connect to. So we are going to be doing all of that. But with that, your participation, your support is extremely essential. So thank you once again, and I hope now we have a new Rajasthan very soon with all your support and blessings. Thank you once again for giving me the opportunity to speak to you, and of course congratulations to all the members once again.